Tech Like Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a text record in Hostinger. So to start with, open up your Hostinger account. There we're going to look over to the left-hand side. I'm going to click on domains, and then we're going to locate the domain that we want to add the text record to. So let's say it's this one. When you find that, look over to the right hand side and click on manage. And from there, we're going to look into the left hand panel where it says DNS name servers. I'm going to click on that. Then we're going to scroll down a little way and you should see a section that says manage DNS records. So this is where you can add to your text record. So under where it says type, I'm going to click onto the little down arrow and you have different options for things you can add here. So you should see the TXT. So this stores additional information for your domain and it's commonly used to verify domain ownership and improve email security. So click on that. Then you're going to add in the additional information you have about your text record that will be given to you by the provider you're trying to connect. Once you've done that, click on add record. So now you'll need to give it a little time for propagation. So this could be anywhere between a few minutes and up to 24 hours. So that's it. That's how to add a text record in Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.